Hello, it is Monday, April 27th. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I'm going to show what assignments are due this week. Again, please log into this instructor survey and complete that if you have not done that. It really won't take very long. Your final exam is here. That will be May 5th until May 10th. So that is not for another week or so. One thing you need to do is this scientific literacy quiz. All students at Southeastern Community College must take this 20-question scientific literacy quiz. The grade that you get does not affect your grade in this class. If you would like to read about the scientific method before you take the quiz, I've included some links. The test is a requirement. You will not be able to take your final exam until this is completed. So here are some links to understanding the scientific method, and I want to look a little bit at what science can't do. So science definitely has its limits. Science does not make moral judgments. Science does not make aesthetic judgments, whether one thing is better than another thing. Science doesn't tell you how to use our knowledge, so we have to use our own ethics to use that knowledge. And science does not draw conclusions about supernatural explanations. So areas such as ghosts, things that we can't study, faith, God, we don't even talk about those in science because we can't study them. You have to be able to collect data and have a quantitative measurement in order for science to be able to study that particular topic. So go back to the main page here. So that's scientific literacy quiz. It will take about 5 minutes. Office hours this week, Wednesday at 10 a.m. and Thursday at 3 o'clock. But again, if you want to meet me over Collaborate at any time, just let me know. And I've heard from other students that when you choose this link, you may not be able to, your microphone may not work. You'll notice in the left-hand corner there's a drop-down menu when you get into Collaborate, and you can use your phone. So you can use your phone to talk in to that session. So this week is the week of the 24th to the 30th, and there's the office hours. This week you're studying Chapter 15, which is the digestive system. And the lab this week will consist of doing specific pages in the lab manual. And I'll show you more detail on this down below in the Chapter 15 block. All work is due Monday, midnight, April 30th, which is Friday. Nope, that's Thursday. May 1st is Friday. I do want to point out here that we will be testing on the urinary system, and that's our last test. We will not have a test on the reproductive system, and the only information in the reproductive system that will be on the final exam will be to identify the structures of the male and female reproductive tract. I'll mention this again. And now let's get down to the class. So here's our digestive system, narrated PowerPoint outline. Things to know. I suggest that you and your family watch The Best Thing You Can Do for Your Health. That's quite an interesting video. There's the test on Chapter 15 Things to Know on the test on the 30th. And then here are the pages for the digestive system lab. Read pages 313 to 325 of your lab manual. This is Lab 25, Functional Anatomy of the Digestive System, and complete the four pages 327 to 330 of the review manual. You have to take a picture of each of these pages and make sure I can read the picture. I can read your writing, so pencil is not advised. You need to insert them in order into a Word document or PDF and upload to the assignment link right here by midnight on the 30th of April. So if you have questions, if you need me to open up any assignments, just text me or email me and let me know exactly what you want me to do. And that's it for this week. Have a good week.